Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into MyAccountAccess. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in MyAccountAccess, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as MyAccountAccess.com. In my case, it's the first one, so tap on it. And here is where you provide your login credentials to log into your account. So go ahead and type your username in the text field given for username. Then type your password in the text field given for password. You can check this box that says remember me so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. If you don't have account and want to create one, you can tap on this don't have an account sign up to create a new account. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on the login button and you'll be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your questions or queries in the comment section below. I will be happy to help.